days. Every moment felt the same, like a spark without a